Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you the Button Family Father's Day craft with the floating frame. Stick around. This is the Button Family and Floating Frame Father's Day DIY craft. And by Button Family, I mean we will need paper like this, and can be colored. You can print out the words, you can print out the people, depending on if your family, there are more people, you can do that, or you can draw, and I'll show you how. It's very simple. I'm not an artist, but at least I can show you how to draw stick people. And we are the Njoroge's family, so that's what I've used. That's me, that's Mike, that's Michaela, that's Samuel. And then we will need the mount, and I'm just using a simple carton cutout, cardboard cutout as some people call it, but you can use anything depending on what you have around you or what you can afford. We're using some wood as part of our floating frame. We're using buttons, and that's why it's called the Button Family. And then we'll need glue gun, and we'll need a glue stick, and just in case we have scissors, my everyday use. So let me show you what I did. Whatever family you have, all you need to do is really, we're not drawing the head because that's where we're putting the button. Just a person, me there, just a simple girl, leg go, leg goes, and then that, just so simple. And then the hands. Some people, if you want to put hair, you can. And for the guys, it's really just a simple, you don't even need to put the shoes. And then the neck. That's it, really. So simple, simple, simple. That was for showing you. But this is what we're going to do. We are going to pick the glue stick and put the buttons on. You can use buttons, you can use cutouts, anything, but it's called the Button Family. So there's Michaela. That's Samuel. So that's the Njoroge's Button Family. Just like that, we're done. But we could just stick it here, and we're going to do that just now. In fact, I should have done that just before. But let me mark. You can mark where you want it to end. And we're making this simple. Then we're making it simple because we're adding the floating frame. So I'm just putting this within the borders I've marked. The other option would have been to first stick it before putting the buttons when it's turned upside down, and then you continue with the buttons. But because I've already put the buttons, this is the easy way. So with the glue stick, I'll just stick it down, and as you can see, on its own, it's already finished. That's the Njoroge's Button Family. But we're going to add the wooden frame to give it a nice color, and to just make it look unusual. All right. Okay, and this is where the glue gun comes in. I'm going to use the glue gun, put the glue on. Then I'm going to do the next one and the next. And the final one, the last one. And there we have it. The final, the finish, the Button Family floating frame. That's the finish product. I love that. You can, even with just the cardboard, it gives it character. And you can use timber, you can use twigs, you can use anything. Even a maize comb or sugarcane, anything to give you that floating frame. There it is, people. After this, please watch the next video. It has 5 other crafts, and at the end of it all, you have a bonus where I show you what we made for Mike with the kids this Father's Day. Thank you. God bless you. Baraka Tele.